Welcome to the Loner Ranger Radio Show on this beautiful 26th of December, the day after Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas holiday. I know I did. It's so good to spend time with the family and, watch, everybody enjoying themselves and kids opening up presents. And I got to tell you something, having kids around the house at Christmas time just makes all the difference in the world. Both my kids are grown up, but it's nice to see a lot of young folks, and it's so magical. It's just, these last few weeks have been extremely intense for me and my family. We've done our big company Christmas party, and I sponsored the K92.3 All-Star Jam. We had over 7,000 people show up for that. And then I do cookies and milk with Santa Claus at my house, and Santa Claus, the real Santa Claus, comes to the house. That was back on the 4th. So now we have one more event coming up, and that's New Year's, and then it's time to relax until I think, Martin Luther King holiday. So it's time to take a breath. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going back on 75 hard. Does anybody out there know about 75 hard? I had to do it twice, but I lost 40 pounds. And by God, I think I put half of that back on just in this last month of December. So 75 hard is back on the cards for me starting on January the 2nd. So anybody want to join me on that, give me a call. We'll hold each other accountable. If you don't know what 75 hard is, it is 75 days no alcohol. You must drink a gallon of water a day. You must listen to some self-help book for 1 hour per day. You must read a chapter in a self-help book a day, and you must pick a diet that you can stick to. Doesn't matter if it's Weight Watchers or Atkins or low carb or keto. It doesn't matter. You have to stick to it. And then you have to work out 7 days a week for 45 minutes per day. 7 days a week. 75 days straight. But I'm going to tell you something. If you want to kickstart your year, I don't care what resolutions you have, this will absolutely kickstart your year. And it's hard for the first 2 weeks, but after 2 weeks, I'm going to tell you something, it's not that bad. Anybody want to join me in 75 Hard? You will see me at the gym every day and over at the Planet Fitness on Lee Road. I'll be in there sweating my butt off. All right? So anyways, we got a brand new year starting up. It's the day after Christmas. Canadians call this Boxing Day, but I call it Return All the Regifts Day, but not really. It's actually time just to kind of relax a little bit, enjoy myself and my family, and spend time with my beautiful wife. How fortunate I have been to have such an amazing wife in my life. She runs my business. I tell you, I think I have the best mortgage company in the world. I know a lot of mortgage companies. I know a lot of business owners have some good shops around the country. I'm part of an organization called the Core Training, which is 600 of the very top lenders and real estate agents in the country. Very difficult program to get into, but it's literally changed my life. And it's one of the things I'm most grateful for as well, because it's helped me become a better servant to you, my client that listens to me. I try to be more effective. It's helped me be a better husband and a better father. It's also helped me become a better boss and a better leader. Something you think leadership comes easy, it does not come easy. When you run a company, I'm telling you something, you got a lot of weight on your back, a lot of stress, and having those type of pressures on you can really make it difficult. And I've gone through some real struggles in my life running my business, but I have to tell you that if it wasn't for my wife, who is also the ops manager for my company, we started working together back 30 years ago, almost 30 years ago. I've been in the business for 33 years come March. But I'm going to tell you something. I am super grateful to have Michelle in my life. She's the best wife I could ever have. I'm so grateful that she stuck with me through all these years, through all my idiosyncrasies and all my issues that I have. And believe me, I've got plenty of them. And my God, I've often told her, you can leave me anytime you want, honey, but I'm going with you. So here's to my beautiful wife, Michelle, for hanging in there all these years with me. And what a great holiday we've had. So I want to talk a little bit about the next holiday coming up, and that's New Year's. So it's time for those New Year's resolutions. I think New Year's resolutions are a big crock, okay? Because I think that most people think that they can start a resolution and then, you know what, it peters out by the time Martin Luther King Day comes along. So you've got to get serious about your life, and people that don't really take things that seriously don't really accomplish a lot in life. People that take action and stick to it get a lot more things done, and it's not easy. Don't get me wrong. It's not easy to keep motivated all the time. But people say, oh, I need to get motivated. Motivated means you need something to help you get there. You don't need anything to help you get there other than yourself. Okay? So, listen, this show's about the mortgage and real estate industry. I have not said one thing about mortgages or real estate in this first 6 minutes of this show. But here's why. Because it doesn't matter what it is we're doing. If we don't stick to it and see it to the end, you don't see success. It's easy to quit. It's a cop-out. And here's my topic for right now. I'm committed for my New Year's resolution to close 600 first-time home buyers in 1 year. That's 50 per month. Now, that's a lot of transactions to do, now that's over and above all of you folks that want to move up. You're not first-time home buyers. You're buying vacation homes. You're buying investment properties. You're refinancing a home. I'm not including all of you. I'm there to help you too. And I can promise you, you will never pick a better mortgage company that's there, that has the best rates, the best terms, the best service, answers phone calls, available 7 days a week. I mean, I honestly think I've got the best mortgage company in the business. And I don't say that because I'm bragging on myself. I say that because I've been able to surround myself with amazing people. When I look at my team of Chelsea and Jasmine and Elizabeth and Tina and Christina and Michelle and Chase and Chelsea and Santi and Elena, I mean, I know I'm missing several folks, but these are the people that make the difference for you. These are the people that change the world. These are the people that I surround myself with because, granted, I'm the face of the business. They make me look good. I'm not near as good as they are. They are amazing, and I'm so grateful to have each and every one of them as part of my organization. And I know I may have left a few folks out. Sunita, Trent, been with me for like 20 years. And I don't know, Rebecca. There's just so many folks, Monica and Bonnie and Jenna and Rhiannon and Bob. All you guys are so amazing out there. And I don't think that the listeners out there realize what it takes to be able to hire such talent like you. It's not easy to do. I've gone through a lot of folks that I thought were good and weren't that good. I'm going to tell you right now, you want a company that cares about you, that you can trust in the mortgage business, and you need a trusted mortgage professional like you need a trusted financial planner. You need somebody that's going to take care of you. I guarantee you, my company, my team, my employees will never try to influence anyone into getting any type of product that they absolutely shouldn't get. If it's not right for you, it's not right for me. You call me at 407-706-3313. I want you to save my number in your phone. You might not need me, but somebody you know is going to need me. 407-706-3313, or send them directly to my website at webringyouhome.com. So my commitment is to help 600 new families become first-time home buyers in 2022. But here's the thing. I need your help. I cannot do this alone. I reach a lot of people. I've got over 10,000 loans I've closed in my past, and a lot of those folks come back to me time and time again. But I need to help new people that you know, your children, your grandchildren, anyone you know that's renting, your coworkers. Look around you when you get to work. If you are a business owner and you have employees, you should have me come in and do an office presentation to help you help your employees become homeowners. Be a giver, man. You like your employees, you love your employees, then do something that's going to last forever. Do you know how hard it is to hire new people? How hard it is to keep talent? Everybody's after your people. I'm telling you, it's not easy to find good talent. So if you have good talent and you're a business owner, then reach out and help your people become homeowners. It's really your obligation. You should do that, and you should want to do that. How do you do that? You have me come in. I'll do an office presentation. I'll help anybody that's not a homeowner become a homeowner. There's only two reasons. They don't have good credit or they don't have any cash. We don't need you to contribute monetarily necessarily. What we need you to do is be an advocate and encourage them to homeownership that benefits them. It changes their life. But here's what it does for you. As an employer, do you know that your employees will stay with you 4 times longer if they are a homeowner versus a renter? That is according to the Department of Labor and Statistics. You can look up that as a fact. Why wouldn't that benefit you? It benefits you because it keeps them with you longer. You want to know some other statistics? Homeownerships have less likelihood of a teenage pregnancy in their household. That can affect your retirement if you have a child that has a child. Listen to this, less alcohol and substance abuse issues. They're more willing to vote. They do vote. They're more willing to be part of an organization like a neighborhood association or the PTA. They're less likely to have alcohol and substance abuse issues. They're more likely to stay late and come in early so that they help you build your organization. That's why a business owner out there listening to me should think carefully about this and have me come in and do a presentation at no obligation, and I will work and fight to help each and every one of your employees that are not a homeowner become a homeowner in 2022. I need your help. Help me help more people. It's a commitment that I make. I want to break my all-time record. You can help me do it. We can all reach out and help more people. It's all of our obligation to reach out and help the less privileged. That doesn't mean you have to give them money. It has to mean you give them yourself, your encouragement. I'm telling you, there is no future in renting. There is a future in being a landlord, but not as a tenant. You don't get anywhere. It gets you nowhere. If you bought a home a year ago for an average purchase price of about $250, your house is worth $325, $330 right now. You would have made almost $50,000 to $60,000 in equity. That's not easy to save. How easy is it to save $60,000 in a year in your 401k? It's absolutely impossible because the IRS the government won't even let you contribute that much. So you can't save that much, but you can build wealth with real estate, and you have to have a house to live in anyway. You listen to this, call me because I'm here as your advocate. I'm here to help you. I will reach out to your employees, to your friends and your family, and I will help them become homeowners. Call me. Call me now. Text me at 407-706-3313. Please save my number. I'm truly serious about this. This is a goal of mine, and I need your help. 407-706-3313. Or go to my website at webringyouhome.com. When we come back from the next break, I want to tell you how you can help your family members. They have to be immediate family members with the gift of down payment. Because if you are a grandparent or a parent and have adult children, you're going to leave them money anyway. You're going to leave them money. And they're going to go out and they're going to spend that money frivolously if they're not used to managing money. So if we're going to give them a gift of money, why don't we give them a gift of something that they can't spend, that they got to save? The gift of building equity in real estate. It's the easiest way to protect your inheritance or the inheritance that you give them. Save my number, 407-706-3313, or go to my website at webringyouhome.com. If you are a parent or grandparent and you'd like to know how to do that the best way, the safest way that'll keep giving, then save my number and call me. We'll set up an appointment and I'll show you how to do it. 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of Bruce Woodburn and the Lone Ranger Radio Show. Thank you for tuning in. Happy day after Christmas. Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. And yes, I am the Lone Ranger. It's a beautiful day after Christmas. I'm going to tell you something. What a wonderful Christmas holiday it was. I'm so blessed. You know, we got through talking about how grateful I am and how grateful you should be for the people in your life. And I want to tell you, this is the time of year that I am committed to making a change to helping more people become homeowners in 2022. So we talked a little bit about that in the last segment. So I want to help 600 families become new homeowners. This is first-time home buyers. This is in addition to all you folks that should have refinanced, and now you're waiting for the Fed to change the Fed rate so that you can pay a higher rate. If you're one of those folks, stop right now and call me at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. But my commitment for 2022 is to help more first-time home buyers than I've ever helped in my 32 years and 10 months in this business. And that I need your help for. But I want to tell you how you can help if you are an adult parent or adult grandparent. Do you know that you can give a down payment as a gift on a home, but you can protect the investment that you give the adult child or adult grandchild? As long as it's an immediate relative, you can do it. So all you have to do is I first of all have to document that you have the asset to give it and that it was a gift. It was not a loan. You cannot loan somebody money as a down payment on a house, on any type of mortgage, but you can give it to them as a gift. But let's just say that you're alive right now. I'm hoping you're alive if you're listening to my radio show, and you plan on at death leaving your children or grandchildren money. Well, I'm going to tell you, here's what happens with your hard-earned money that you saved for your entire career. It goes to buy your new children a Boston Whaler, a Harley Davidson, a 80-inch screen Samsung TV, or a George Foreman grill. I don't know, but it's something that will not make them any money. Why not give them the gift of a down payment? You can help them out with a down payment. It's totally legitimate to do on any owner-occupied piece of property that you can help them with. So if they're buying as a primary residence or a secondary residence, you can help with a gift of down payment. Now, let's just think about this. You don't have to give all the gift, but if you could help them out, maybe they could commit to paying half. Maybe they would use part of their tax refund that they're getting to help them out for a down payment. So your average price right now is your average price is $375. Your median price is $320. So let's just say we can find a house for $350,000. Well, you get them into an FHA loan, which is a minimum down payment, great mortgage for 3.5% down, which is a total of $12,250. Can you help them out with $12,250? Okay. Or part of that, let's help them get into a home. If they keep that home and in 1 year it only goes up by 3% in appreciation, they made $10,500. $10,500. That's an 86% return on their investment. Now, how do you keep them from spending that money? Well, they'd have to sell the house to be able to obtain the money or refinance it or pull out equity. How do you protect them from doing that? I put you on the deed. They can't do anything with that house without your permission, and it goes down in perpetuity so that they can never sell, refinance the house without your permission. Now, you can put it in your will upon their death. You can do whatever they want, or they can have someone else that has to sign off on them selling, refinancing, or pulling equity out of that house. So now you've given them a gift of equity, and it goes down in history to help them. And when they turn around in years from now and they sell that house and they made $100,000, $200,000, because my prediction is that houses are going to double in price in the next 15 years. Double in price in the next 15 years. The Loan Arranger, write that prediction down right now. I'll be back in 5 minutes. More of the Loan Arranger radio show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. Welcome back to the Loan Arranger radio show. My name is Bruce Woodburn, and I am the Loan Arranger. It is a beautiful Boxing Day, or the 26th day of December, the day after Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Hope you got to spend some good time with the friends and family. and enjoy some time off work. I know that I actually worked a little bit yesterday so Cleve and I could do our radio show. But the rest of the day I took with the family and enjoyed it immensely, and I hope you did too. So look, we've talked about my commitment this year is to help more first-time home buyers than I've ever helped in my 32 years, almost 33 years in this business, and how you, as an adult parent or grandparent, can help an adult child become a homeowner by giving them a gift of down payment. I'm telling you, it will be the best inheritance you can ever give them, because I'm telling you, when people, I see it every day. I see people that get inheritances almost every day of the week. And I'm going to tell you something, most of them piss it away. They buy stuff that they shouldn't have bought. They'll buy their girlfriend something, they'll buy their boyfriend something, they'll buy whatever, and they just spend this frivolous money on ridiculous stuff. We can protect your hard-earned money by you giving a gift of down payment for a house, and then we can make sure that that money can never be pulled out of there, that it goes into their equity position and they will build equity. Now, we talked a lot about that. Average price right now is about $375. I'm seeing first-time home buyers get into homes between $300 and $375. Yes, there are a few homes in the $250 range, but they're getting harder and harder to find. And do not get caught up in the fact that you think that houses are going to go down in value. You can never go down in value when you experience inflation. And all you have to do is look at any graph of real estate, go back to the 1950s, and just keep going until today. It's always all-time high. The only time we saw a low was in 2008 and 9, and that was because of the mortgage debacle when mortgage companies were doing mortgages for people that shouldn't have qualified. Right now, there's prudent lending, so that's not going to happen. There's a shortage of inventory. That's another reason it's not going to happen. There's inflation that keeps prices going up. That means get in now or miss the boat. I'm telling you, all you folks out there that should have bought last year, you could have bought at an average purchase price of $250, $275. That house is long gone now. Now, you have to think about this, okay? If a house goes up, if a house goes up by $50,000, that equates to about $200 a month. If a interest rate goes up by 0.5%, it equates to about $200 a month. That's $400 a month for the same house. Why would you want to wait? It makes no sense to wait. Do it now. I will help you. If there's only two reasons you're not buying, you don't think you have the credit or you don't think you have the cash. Start now. I'll put you on a path to homeownership. You will not find a more committed lender in the world than me. I'm committed to helping you guys become homeowners, and it's my goal in 2022 to help 600 new families that are just first-time home buyers. So I want you to be one of those families, but I need you, my listeners, to help bird dog and find people that I can help. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. It's webringyouhome.com. Let's change the subject a little bit. Let's go from first-time home buyer to my more opulent and wealthy clients. Maybe you're looking at buying a home around $2 million or refinancing a home that's in that $2 million price point. We're seeing a lot more of that in Florida. We didn't used to see a lot of what we call jumbo transactions. Seeing a lot of them right now, and they're going up and up in value. And a lot of you folks have made a lot of money in the last couple of years, and your income is up, and you're wanting to buy those upper end properties. The problem is you don't like cutting loose of the money that's in your bank account. I know I had made some good money on my assets that are in equities and stocks and mutual funds this year. I think I've averaged probably 25% on my overall return on my investments, maybe even a little bit better than that. We cannot expect that in the future. Okay, we can't expect that in the future, but here's what you don't want to do. I see you out there and you don't want to be putting down 20% on a $1.5 million house. Okay, so or a $2 million house. You figure that if you got a $1.5 million house and 20% of that is $300,000. So you don't want to cut loose of that because that $300,000 is making you money. And if let's just say that $300,000 right now is making you 15%. So $300,000 at 15%, it's making you $45,000 a year. And $45,000 a year is about $3,750 a month. So you don't want to take that money out of the market. You don't have to. I got the best jumbo loan ever. Now listen, I got traditional jumbos and I got this specialty jumbo. So I'll loan you up to $1.5 million. That's $1.5 million loan amount. All you need to do is put down 3.5%. Now you got to have good credit and you got to have a lot of assets. Okay. When I say a lot of assets, I need 24 times the monthly payment in reserves. You want to leave your money in the bank? Leave it in the bank. I don't blame you. I have rates in the 3% range. Okay. Good credit, really good credit. Rates in the 3s. I didn't say 3%. I said in the 3s, but listen to this. 3.5% down, no PMI. 3.5% down, no PMI. Shut the front door. I'm telling you, nobody even believes I have it. I'm closing these like crazy. You want to keep your money in the market? Keep it in the market. When you can get a great rate on a jumbo loan like that and only put 3.5% down, why would you pass that up? Now, you want even a better interest rate? I locked in a client this week, okay, on a 30-year fixed rate jumbo, no points, 2.875%. Now, I'm going to tell you this is not an advertisement because I have to give a lot of disclaimers on rates when I tell you I can get you that rate. I'm not telling you that because every one of you is different. I'm telling you, I got a wonderful doctor and his family that rate. Listen to this. Did another one, 15-year fixed rate, 2.625%, no points. No cash out refi. I'm telling you, I got the rates. I got the programs. Better than that, I got the service level. I have a receptionist. If you don't know what that means, it's somebody that answers the phone for you. And I have a team of people that are available to return phone calls. You heard me. They actually return phone calls. You don't go into a queue with my office. You call, the receptionist says, "Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Thank you so much for calling. Who would you like to speak to?" "Oh, I'm working with Chelsea on Bruce's team." "Fantastic. I'll get Chelsea. She's on the phone right now. May I have her call you right back?" "Yes." That's called service. Right now, you don't get press 1 if you're going to refinance, plus 2 if you want to buy, plus 3 if your credit score is over 800, plus 5 if you... Forget it. Forget it. I hate that stuff, and you probably don't like it either. How about going back to the level of service? Do you know I still meet with clients in person? That's right. I still meet with clients in person. How do you like that? Is that amazing or what? I will meet with you in person. We get you pre-approved over the phone through our loan software on my website at webringyouhome.com. The easiest online application you ever seen. webringyouhome.com. Save me in your cell phone. Pull it out right now. Bruce Woodburn, the loan arranger, CrossCountry Mortgage, 407-706-3313. 407-706-3313. 3313 and webringyouhome.com. If you save me in your phone right now, you won't be one of those people that you run across a friend and you want to introduce them to me and you want to make sure you connect them with me, and all of a sudden you can't remember my name or my phone number. I hope you don't forget my name. You should remember the loan arranger, but you just save me in your phone. You're going to need me at some point. And I want to be there for you, your friends, and your family. I'm there for you. I'm going strong. I'm committed. I have a lot of energy. And I'm really hyper about helping people get a great mortgage. My client that was in here, it's a doctor's wife, was in here this week. Wonderful person, wonderful family. She turns around after I left the room. I had another appointment. I walked out. She turns around to my assistant. She goes, "Are you sure this is a fixed rate?" "Yes, it is a fixed rate." "Why are your rates so attractive?" "Well, because my boss runs a great company and he believes in giving back to his clients, and he wants to make sure that his clients always have the very best. And he wants you to come back and refer your friends and family to him. So he takes less profits so he can pass them on to you." That is the truth. I couldn't believe I actually heard her say that, but it is the truth. My profit margins are low because I want you to come back to me time and time again. I'd rather make less money per my loan transaction than the other lenders that promise that they're going to pay your closing costs and all they do is jack up your interest rate. And don't you get fooled by that stuff. And I've seen commercials lately where it seems like a sobby commercial where he's trying to tell his family story and all that stuff. Listen, I'm going to tell you something. You want a great rate, you want a great company, you want customer service, you call me, I will take care of you. 407-706-3313. I'm the loan arranger, man. I'm the loan arranger. I arrange loans. That's all I do. Matter of fact, I can't really do anything else that good. I'm good at that, okay? I'm an okay husband. I'm an okay father. I'm a really good mortgage lender. Now, you want a real estate agent because you want to buy? Why would you go to your friend's next door neighbor's cousin? It's the biggest purchase item that you're ever going to buy. Let me refer you to a quality real estate agent that will take really, really good care of you. Now, you want to build a home? You don't want a custom home? You don't want a production home. You need to park your boat or your RV or your jet ski in the side yard and no homeowners association will let you do it. Come to me. I have the best construction perm loans that I know of any lender. Not only do I have conventional construction perm loans, but I have FHA and VA construction perm loans. That's right. I can get you into a construction perm loan on a conventional loan. Most banks want 20% down, 750 credit scores. I'll do 700 credit scores, 10% down. I will do FHA, 5% down. I will do VA, 5% down. Build your own doggone custom home on a lot. If you are a real estate agent and you have lots for sale, I got builders looking for lots. If you are a small builder and you have built at least 5 homes and have a great customer reputation, you're licensed, bonded, and insured, call me. I'll connect you with more people and I'll help you close more transactions with my construction perm loans. I got the best construction perm loans in the market. I can say that with my chest out because I know it's true. I know what my competition has and I know the service level they provide too. Heck, you can't even reach a loan officer after 3 o'clock at a bank or credit union on a Friday afternoon. You might get a phone call back on Monday or Tuesday if you're lucky. Why would you want that? This is the biggest thing that you ever invest in. Let the professionals help you. Send your business to me. If you are a real estate agent, I'll take golden care of your clients. I'll make sure you always look good. I just want to work with honest professionals that are in real estate, not part-time people that don't know how to sell real estate, don't know how to be a trusted advisor. I want the pros to refer their clients to me so we can all work in concert together and help more families achieve home ownership in 2022. You want my phone number? I'll give you my personal cell phone number, 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or you can text me at that same number, or you can go to my website at webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. If you want to buy or refinance. If you haven't refinanced yet, and you need to pull equity out to consolidate debt, when we come back from the next break, I'm going to tell you why you need to pick up the phone and call me now, because things are getting ready to change and the rain is getting ready and the storm is going to open up. So call me at 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of the Loan Arranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, your local lender right here in Winter Park, Florida. We'll be back in 5. Welcome back to the last segment of the Loan Arranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, the Loan Arranger on this beautiful December the 26th. I'm going to tell you something. This is actually my last show of this year. Next is 2022. I've told you in this segment, this show, how committed I am to helping more first-time home buyers in 2022. So my commitment is to help 600 new home buyers. That's 50 clients a month that are just first-time home buyers. So that's in addition to my clients that I'm going to help purchase second homes, investment properties, clients that aren't first-time home buyers, and those of you that need to refinance. But I promised you before the last segment that I'm going to tell you why you need to refinance if you haven't refinanced yet. First of all, I discourage about 50% of the people that come to me for refinancing that have been convinced to refinance by another lender. Don't get caught up in that. I will give you an honest evaluation whether refinancing is better for you or you should just make a little extra payments and stay with what you have. Half of you should, half of you shouldn't. The government says that 75% of the people that should refinance have not even refinanced yet. What's taking you so long? Are you waiting for rates to continue to go up? So this is a message to you, okay? My message to you is that interest rates are going to go up in the first quarter of next year. Don't wait. Don't wait. I don't think they're going to skyrocket, but the federal government has promised to taper, meaning they're pulling back on purchasing mortgage-backed securities. My job as your trusted mortgage advisor is to keep track of that. They're going to, and they've already done it. They've gone from $10 billion a month down to less than $4 billion, and they're already cutting it back, and they're promising to move up the Fed meeting in the first quarter of 2022 so that they can completely eliminate purchasing mortgage-backed securities. Guys, girls, that is what has kept our interest rates low. So when the private sector is out to purchase mortgage-backed securities, they're not going to purchase mortgage-backed securities at the same price that the federal government did. Don't wait. Just stop right now and write my phone number down at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. I'm the loan arranger. I'm here to help you. I'm here to make sure that you get the best mortgage at the best possible interest rate. All you got to do is call me. If you haven't refinanced, let's look at refinancing right now so we can get you connected so that you don't wait till next year for interest rates to rise again. Call me at 407-706-3313 or go to WeBringYouHome.com. That's my website, WeBringYouHome.com. I'm the loan arranger. Been in the business it'll be 33 years, March 18th. And I've closed well over 10,000 transactions. I want to help you guys all save money. So why not call a trusted advisor? I've been doing this 33 years. I've got 4.5 Google ratings. I've got 5.0 Zillow ratings. I'm a local guy. I'm a small businessman, but I've got branches in all 50 states. Choose somebody that's going to take great care of you. Choose the loan arranger, Bruce Woodburn, local boy. Grew up here since 1962. Went to Domrick Elementary, Maitland Junior High, and Winter Park High School. Valencia, a little bit, not so much, but a little bit. And I am here to make sure that you and your family and all of my first-time home buyers get taken care of in the year 2022. Let's change the planet. We can change the planet by helping more people become homeowners. I will guide them through the process. My team of golden people who I'm loving have taken such good care of my clients, are always here to help you and guide you in the right direction. I want to wish you a very blessed Christmas weekend and on to a happy new year. My next show will be I believe it is on the 2nd of January. So I'll see you then. Enjoy the weekend. God bless every one of you. I'm so grateful for you. And I'm always here for you and your family. Have a great weekend. Thank you. And this is the Loan Arranger signing out for 2021. God bless all of you.